How to make repeated sales with Shopify. I am going to level with you a lot of online business model are lazy. That is to say that they are really lazy or they are just not very ambitious. What do I mean by this? I mean that they tend to fall back on tried and tested method like setting up a blog and then promoting an ebook. Online business tend to fall into one of two campaigns. In one campaign you have internet marketer who a lot of the time simply sell this ebook or perhaps affiliate product, and in the other camp you have to brick and mortar business that see the web as a way to perhaps get a few more customer, and that's pretty much it. Either way, neither or this business are using the web to the fullest of its potential for far from it. There is so much more you can do with your online business, and a great example of this two set of a membership site or a subscription product. From there, there then ton of additional apps, tools and services you can use in the order to grow the basic model and accomplish some truly ingenious method of generating revenues. In the full ebook, you will learn everything you could possibly need to know to make this happen, from how to set up your membership site with Shopify to the type of product you can sell. Form 1 and how you can utilize app to grow your store to the next level. In this free report, we'll just be talking tour of membership site and subscription product, and in doing so we'll look at two very unique business model that go behind the basic online business model that we tend to see. When you take the time to look into some of the other product available, and when you let your imagination run by with you, there are some far more efficient way to make money. Business model 1: selling a subscription product. Subscription. Subscription product. Subscription. Business model 1: selling a subscription product. The first business model is going to be selling a subscription product. As you read on, you will see how this is even more effective than it might sound. Of course, selling any kind of a subscription is always a great strategy. When you sell a subscription interest of a one-off, you can set up your recurring payment, which means you will get guaranteed profit on a weekly, monthly or quarterly basis. To do this, it is normally a good idea to start with your website. If you have website with your one regular audience, then this will make it much easier for you to sell your product because you will already have the trust of those users. Next, you are going to need to create your product. There are tons of product you can sell in this manner. For instance, why not take the normal ebook you are used to selling and break them down into chapter. From there you can then sell them as lesson as part of longer course. You can even sell physically product this way. For instance, if you sell clothes, why not create a subscription service where you buyer get a selection of items that go together each month, thereby giving them completely new outfit they can wear on a regular basis. There are many sites that sell diet plan this way, where each week or month the subscriber receiving or packaging lunch with all the separate ingredients so that they can easily and stay within guidance of their idea. Other things like supplement lend themselves naturally to subscription. You can even set up a resale business, buying product and then packaging them into some kind of specially pack for your audience. There is no risk because you are paid at the start of the month and you can reinvent that money into product. Now to take this model to the next level, all you need to do is to get some affiliates markets who will gain compulsion for promoting your sales, which you can do easily enough with a number of Shopify plus gain. Now you will have a leg of market promoting your monthly weekly service. Model 2, membership site. A membership site is any website that require a regular paid membership in order to unlock all of the content. The idea is that some of your content is going to be behind a paywall so that only your premium site members will get to see it. This is a great business model. If you are already a blogger, as it means you can get a regular and reliable payment for a service you are already providing. All you need to do is to ensure that the content in your members area in even better quality. You will do this by adding more media like video or by ensuring that the topic coverage and the things that can't be found anywhere else. Creating a members forums is also a great idea as a community can become self-stunning and help you to grow your audience even bigger. If you are really confident in the service you are providing, then why not offer a month free membership? That's why your user will be able to see just what an excellent service you are providing with no risk and decide it for themselves if they want to sign up. You can even get your subscriber to contribute their own content, thereby adding even more value to members without you having to do any extra work. So there you have it, two completely different business models that utilize your requiring payments system to bring your study reliable income that you can benefit for year to come. Of course, there are continuously other way you can utilize subscription service to make stable income. In the full ebook, we go into all of this in much more details as well as covering tons of additional tips, tricks, and system. Delve in and you will learn how to set up your Shopify store, the best tool and apps you can add to your store, how to turn your store into a mobile app, how to set up affiliate sales, how to market your store, other way to change your subscription and much more.